Good morning, sir. I'm Nemuel Cabaron from G2A-1. The stability information using the various stability diagram, trim tables, and stress tables used on board ships. First, stability diagram visually depict a ship's ability to return to an upright position after being bedded over. They illustrate the relationship between the ship's center of gravity G center of buoyancy B and metacenter M, particularly the metacentric high GM and the writing arm GZ GM and its initial stability, while GG shows the return for all larger angles of heel. Example, imagine a ship arrays G and B are aligned as the ship need over B ship to the new position and a new metacenter M is formed. The difference between G and M determines the ship's stability. If GM is positive, the ship will tend to return to its upright position. If G is position, the ship will continue to heel over as there is no force to right it. Second is trim tables are used to predict a ship's drop and drop changes, particularly when loading or unloading cargo. They help determine the difference in drop between the bow and stern. Under various loading conditions, these tables are essential for planning cargo operations, ensuring the ship remains stable and safe. What is trim? Trim refers to the difference in drop a ship is submerged in water between the bow, front, and stern of a ship. A ship's trim can be influenced by the distribution of weight within the ship, such as cargo, ballast, fuel, and the crew. Lastly, the stress tables in the ship design provide a crucial data on the structural stresses a ship experiences under various loading conditions, ensuring that ship's hull can withstand the forces it encounters. This table help engineers understand how the ship's structure responds to different loads, including global stresses, sagging, and local stresses. This information is essential for designing a ship that is both strong and efficient, preventing excessive stresses that could compromise its integrity. There are two types of stresses: global stresses and local stresses. Global stresses, example is hugging occurs when the center of the ship is supported by a wave causing the ship to bend upward. Sagging occurs when the ends of the ship are supported by a wave causing the ship to bend downward. Local stresses, panting, a rocking motion of the ends of the ship, particularly at the bow, caused by wave pressure. Rocking, distortion caused by the ship rolling from side to side. Torsion, twisting process on the ship structure. Example of a stresses table. A stresses table made less different loading conditions, egg pull, cargo, ballast, and only empty the type of stress, egg hugging, sagging, and the resulting stresses in specific areas of the ship, egg strip, the hull bottom. These tools are used to determine the vessel stability characteristic under different loading conditions and to ensure safe operation.